Everybody, Thomas here. And sometimes you just do things you regret. As you can see, the ground is very frozen again. And I have all this, beautiful dirt looking right here. It's mostly frozen. But I've got to fill these holes in with that dirt, tamp it down and everything. But that's all right. I think we can get her done. We've got tools and such. Yeah, we'll get her going. And then we're going to go ahead and put up some of my headers on here. I know I have enough to at least do these three right here. I just got to figure out how to get to this final one here. But yeah, what I'll do is I'm actually going to probably put a header on this one, a header on that one, and then we'll have to do something here splitting between the two differences. Might have to get a little bit, outside the box here and use something. I don't really know if I have anything long enough. I have to look. Might have some hickory in my building over there. We'll see. So I'm going to have pine header on that one, pine header on that one, and this one, I don't know yet. We'll figure it out. So yeah, let's put the time lapse on. We'll figure out what's going on. We got about 2 hours here before church, before I gotta get ready to go to church and everything. So we'll see what we can do, and then give it our best. Folks, I am too short on the rafters there, and that's all right. I'll get some maybe out of a log here or something like that. I'm not sure, but I got 2 rafters still to get up. I like the slope that's on there. Seems like it's a pretty good slope. Snow should fall off there. Plus, it's got the sun that will be beating on it, so I think that'll be good. All right, well, it's time for us to get on to church, so I gotta go ahead and get ready real quick. And after I come back, we'll go ahead and work some more on this. Maybe get some of our lathing boards up. Stay tuned. All right, folks, so when you have a sawmill and you run out of 2x6s, just go ahead and cut another 2x6 or 2. So I cut those 2 right there. So yeah, we have all of the 2x6s up. Now I need to get up there and do the lathing boards if I can get those done. In fact, I've got all this oak right here, which I cut with I think it was a Casco blade when I was cutting out and everything. But we've got a lot of those oak boards there. We're gonna go start throwing those up there and get this roof hopefully lathed up today, maybe in halfway done today, because we still want to go out and do some things with the kids. But yeah, yesterday we had a fishing tournament with the kids. That was a blast. Tommy ended up catching a trout during the tournament. There weren't many fish caught. He did catch one of them, but it wasn't the biggest one. It was only, just over a pound or so. And I think about 1.5 pounds is what actually won the kids tournament. Still fun nonetheless. Very excited that the kids are out there enjoying the stuff. But as you saw first thing this morning, it was very, very cold and frozen. And right now everything's thawed out because we have unseasonably warm temperatures right now. I want to say it's got to be 46 degrees or more. My son was just saying he can wear a short sleeve shirt out here or something like that. So, all right, I actually am running out of battery here, so I'm going to go ahead and put up these lathing boards, and then I'll show after the fact. Because I think I've done a time lapse in the beginning that was quite long, and a time lapse of the cutting wood. So you'll see once I get these lathing boards up. All right, folks, all that remains. I got all those lathing boards up. I gotta trim off this top portion of this 4x6, and then we put metal on. So we'll see. We shall see. Weird angle. I was trying to get as close to as possible below the 1-inch boards, so it's kind of cutting at a weird angle. Let me get my drill off. All right, it's not too bad. Let's show you what we did here. All right, so the building process has gone pretty well today. We did a lot of just tedious work, I'll say that. So not too shabby. It's not bad at all. I do have 3 popple boards on there. The outside board here, now I doubled those up, so you see that board right there is doubled up. That's a popple board there, and those 2 popple boards there. Now unfortunately, they did taper off, but I extended the screws. Should not be a problem. Overall, very happy. I think I'm happy with my spacing. 33 inches apart. I wanted to be closer. I just didn't have the wood and everything. I don't have anything long enough, but 33 inches across, or excuse me, spacing between each of my rafters. And then I use 1x4 oak or 1x4 ash on top. So I'm happy with my lathing material. It'll account for some of the missing rafters, if you will, or the spacing between. But I'm pretty happy. And I think, you know, once I get the metal on here, oh, yeah, that's the other thing I was going to talk to you about. But once I get the metal on here, I'll be able to put my RV in here. I don't know what I'm talking about, folks. I'll be able to put my gooseneck trailer. I don't know what the hell I'm saying, RV. I have been looking at some RVs, but I talked myself out of getting an RV, so don't even worry about that. And when I say about RV, I'll talk about pop-up camper. But I'll be using boards like this, and we will be putting these boards horizontal just like this. Now I'm going to come back and I'll cover that gap up and everything. But these boards here, I have to take a closer look at this. Sorry, these dang dogs are fighting over something that they shouldn't be fighting over. These were cut at a circle sawmill back in 1992. They still look great. And I got a whole trailer full of those. So, I'll show you over here. My buddy Mike up in Michigan scored these for me, and I could not be happier. These boards, again, were cut in 1992, and they sat outside. So I think I talked about this in another video. The front stack here is just over 8 feet. The back stack here is over 12 foot. I'll be using those back stack boards and everything. But as you see, these boards look awesome. They sat outside since 1992 in the elements. Now, sure, the top boards here, maybe they're not the greatest and everything. Those will be firewood, but you go 2-3 layers down, you're good. Could not be happier to score a find like this. And this right here is exactly what I'll be using for the siding on the building. And it will all be, this is more than enough. More than enough. So, very happy. So next video will be me putting those up, time lapses and whatnot. And yeah, stay tuned for more. Channel is awesome. I do appreciate all the subscriptions. We are almost at 8,000 subscribers. In fact, by the time I release this video, I'll probably have 8,000 subscribers. So that is a super cool feeling to know that 8,000 people have taken the time to subscribe to the channel and often give likes and stuff like that. So again, trying to grow the channel more. It does help out to fund some of these things. But overall, my sawmill building, I'm pretty happy with it, folks. This one's a good one. I'm very happy with this. So we'll get the roof on that. And then I don't know if I'm going to do something here. I kind of need to leave that open because the sun helps to keep me warm. But we'll see. I don't know yet. And as you saw, I put down this felt stuff here. And it's been working pretty well to keep some snow off in that direction. But overall, I'm liking this build. This is a fun one. All right, folks, please like, subscribe, as I said, and hope to see you around some more. Thanks. Bye.